Go.
This is me, Phoenix. So I'm gonna do the food challenge. So no yucky stuff and no cake stuff. So I have to go do my yucky. I have to go do my stuff.
Keep
But
your
no
head on.
yucky stuff.
Okay.
I'm Piper, Phoenix's sister, and I will be handing her her foods. Here is your first food.
Piper, don't even make it go yucky stuff.
Open your mouth, Phoenix.
Open your mouth. Open up your mouth.
Are you going to do it or not, Phoenix?
Piper, is it yucky stuff?
No! Stop.
I failed.
Phoenix, you're gonna be fine.
I don't think I want to do this.
Phoenix, you're fine.
I don't
Okay?
think I want to do this. Piper,
Phoenix, you're fine. It's okay. It's a good stuff. It's good. Open your mouth.
Just try it.
Open your mouth, okay? Open up. You're okay. You're okay. Open up. Open up. You're fine.
It's almost like the hot dog. I know it.
Phoenix, just taste it. Taste it.
Okay,
Phoenix.
try another one. She
Okay.
smelled it. It was hot dog. You're right. Yay.
I got it.
Here's her second food.
It better not be yucky enough.
Don't
Open
your
up.
mouth.
Open up. Phoenix, you're fine.
I must be that we can be yucky stuff.
Phoenix, open your mouth.
Don't spill it.
I'm not. Phoenix, it's good. Really.
But I need a drink.
Okay, open up your mouth if you want to drink. It's okay. You're okay. Open up your mouth, Phoenix.
Okay.
Open up. You're okay. It's okay. It's good. Open your mouth.
I can't cover my. I can't do that to my eyes.
Open up your mouth. It's okay. Phoenix, I didn't even get to put it in your mouth. Open up your mouth.
I got it.
Open your mouth.
What is it?
It can't up.
No,
No, it's not.
she cheated. She peeked.
I know what was it. I'm serious. I didn't
She
want.
cheated.
I said I didn't want yucky
Okay,
stuff.
so what do we say? This is the end of our food challenge.
This is the
Phoenix took
Phoenix.
her hat off, so now it's over. She would have had whipped cream and a banana and chocolate. Bum, bum, bum.
Preston, do you
Can you
want
say bye?
Bye.
Bye, you guys.